Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Vizag Arts World. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel Vizag Arts World. So let's get started. Today I am creating 3 simple Independence Day painting ideas using everyday objects like a matchbox, a garlic and a bottle lid. So let's start with the matchbox. With just a few brush strokes and the beautiful colors of our Indian flag, this ordinary object becomes a creative artwork. As you all know, the Indian national flag is called the Tiranga because it has 3 colors. Saffron at the top represents courage and the sacrifice, white in the middle represents peace and truth, green at the bottom represents growth and prosperity, and the Ashoka Chakra in the center has 24 spokes and symbolizes the progress and righteousness. And this is the final output of our Indian national flag painting by using Matchbox. And next, using with the garlic, so it's a unique shape makes it perfect for a colorful tricolor design. Painting on the different surfaces is always fun and exciting. So same like the matchbox, on the garlic also we need to add the white color, saffron color and the green color. India's freedom was not won easily. Countless of freedom fighters sacrificed their lives, comfort, and families so that our future generations could live in a free nation. So let us honor their memory and cherish the freedom they secured for us. And here is the final output of our Indian national flag by using the garlic. And next, coming with the bottle lid. Same like the matchbox and the garlic, same we use the tricolors, the white color and saffron color and the green color. So our national flag is more than just 3 colors. It represents courage, peace, unity and hope. Through these simple paintings, I am celebrating the spirit of India in my own creative way. So please do support our channel and please do support our paintings, and if you want any painting, do comment. I will draw the painting and upload it. You don't need expensive materials to make beautiful art. Just use your imagination and the things you already have at home. I hope these painting ideas inspire you to create something special for Independence Day. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative painting tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and advance happy Independence Day.